Now that the sun's out, we can kind of tell a little bit more. So that's not an ibis because it's blue. Kind of looks like a youngin'. Whoa, that was kind of graceful. What are you doing? I wonder what he is. That's not a swimming bird, is it? Like, I think he's trying to hide. Kind of, sort of, he can. And he kind of can. Like, if I didn't know he was there. He is kind of hiding for as big as he is. I feel like he has a red belly, sort of, kind of. I don't know what he is. Hang on, damn it. Wait, what is that? Hold up. I am not even sure what that is. What is that? I think he just did that twice. Now I am out of storage, so I can't actually see. I mean, I don't even know. So I have to use YouTube. No more Venus, but it was pretty. I didn't even expect to see that at all, so that worked out nice. But like, we should still be able to see it.